What's going on, everybody? I'm back with another gaming video, and today I'm playing some more Minecraft. As you guys saw the last video, I think, but it had ended because it crashed. My game crashed, so I had to end the video there. Like after like 3 seconds, I said I finally found the chest. It crashed. The game and the recording crashed. So let's go back and finish it. So yesterday I made like a golden garage, golden diamond garage, a car, and I'm finishing up the truck, whatever it's called. I'm a horrible builder though at cars. There's my Lamborghini. Where did I just see that creeper? You are my secret pet. Darn it. So let's go head out and finish the truck. The Lamborghini was a horrible thing to make. So usually trucks like have massive doors. Why do I have a head in my door? Just creepy. Don't need that big of a door. Wow, is there a way I can like pull blocks through? Darn, you can't bridge blocks through doors. Oh man, if you could, that would have been so cool making a like that. So if you guys hear like any like birds in the background, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 a.m. or something like that. It's like that time. And actually, you guys can see it's 9:16. No, so you can't. Okay, so can I'll do the there. Okay, the semi truck's almost done. I just need to finish the back and then it's gonna finish the front. Where the driver's gonna be, which I'm gonna have a villager driving. Okay, so the driver's gonna be like right here where this block is. So if I just build 2 up, I need to build 2 here and some glass. Because you want to be safe, otherwise you'll go flying out. So let's see what it looks like in the front. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. The windows has to be like 1 block over. Yeah, it looks way better. Comment down below if you guys think that looks way better. So there's only gonna be 1 door on one side. So no like extra doors. There's gonna only be 1 or 2 right here. Those are gonna be the only doors. So if I come here to my YouTube channel, I'm gonna see if someone did anything yet. I'll see you guys in a second. I'm actually gonna really pause it. 2 views and 2 views. Okay, both of my videos have 2 views. Liked videos. Panda-playz. Also, guys, go subscribe to Panda-playz. I might have his link in the description. I might have it in the description because I really do like Panda-playz. He's like a really good YouTuber. So after I'm done with this build, I'm gonna have the thumbnail. In a second, I will have the thumbnail. So it might end. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It might end in a few minutes. So I'm trying to build as fast as I can. pretty massive semi-truck. Because it's supposed to be massive. If you guys see one in real life, I've actually stood next to one before, but, so if I come over here, so here's what it looks like from the outside to the inside. Yeah, the villager would be able to escape, so I don't want him to be able to escape, so I might actually have to just put a head in here, like that. Let me just see what that looks like. Looks like a pretty decent cover. I just threw some on my clothes, like from my arm stand, and then here's the phone. I also have some arm stands. He's gonna have a t-shirt, that, and that. I only have one thing of armor now. Set it here. I don't want to equip that in his hand. Darn it, I forgot. Reading. Just noticed I didn't even have it in my inventory. There we go. He has to have like a little roof over him. That's just gonna hit it. I'm just gonna put a villager in there. I got Mr. Villager. Get out of here. Trade? You're cheap. What is it called? Leather. I forgot. Oh, let me just go with this. I know it's somewhere over here. The old way of Minecraft should have had like the searching things. Of course, they only made it. Should be somewhere down there. No, who wanted disc 11 Minecraft? Why would you make that? It's supposed to be horror. Right here, right here. I'm not sure. Where did you go? Where did you go? Yeah, this is it. Ammo. Nice training with you. Now you're gonna die. Let's see if any of my friends are online. Nope, it's disconnected, so okay. Sorry if you can't see in their villager. A big part too. That villager was playing, the other villager was playing outdoors, that's why I killed him. Or her. Whatever it's called. You can never tell if it's the villager, boy or girl. They all look the same. Hey Minecraft, if you guys are watching this, Modring, if you're watching this, can you have like name tags above them so you can know which one's a boy or a girl? Also guys, never online data on Roblox. Also guys, if you guys like Roblox or Minecraft, comment down below so you can watch some more. It's getting dark. Last time. Okay. I wanted to look in the sun, and then I actually changed my mind because it actually takes forever to look in the night. So now all we need to get is a wall right here. Actually, no, a wall here. So like for the rest of the back, it has like room for like chests. Can you still open chests? No, you can't. So it's almost done. I just gotta do these parts of the mark of the truck, and then I'm done with this part. There we go. Semi truck is done. Now villager. So it should be on my picture. It's a good thing. It's a good thing I had that in my inventory. But it has been 12 minutes so far. I have finished the truck now. Also guys, if you guys did not know that I finished my garage, right over here. Diamond garage closed. Just walk right through into the modern house. And there you go. Got yourself a little garage. Or you can have like chests in here, like I might do, or like storage. I just like having storage plate in my houses sometimes. Still live in my mom's house, so there's lots of storage in there. So if you guys were coming to my house, there is so much storage. Also, guys, I will have Panda-playz's YouTube link in the description. He is an awesome YouTuber. Go subscribe to him. He is awesome. It's like the best YouTuber ever. Panda-playz, there you go. Give you a shout out right there, Panda-playz. I'm gonna leave that there because I don't really want to. Okay. So, if you guys watch Creekcraft, sometimes I might have his link in the description too. Or it's Loopy, or my channel, which you guys probably would have mine. I actually know because you're watching mine. Wow. If you guys watch popular MMOs or basically popular MMOs, Panda-playz, Creekcraft, they like Roblox. I never seen Panda-playz play Roblox yet. So, hey dude. Stay there. I'm going to stay. Yeah. Very, very nice. Yay! Sneaking. Sneak. Okay, guys. See how fast you sneak when you're flying. This is how fast you sneak when you're not flying. You sneak like slow. Hi, chicken. Holy cow, I'm going fast. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh my goodness, I almost burned myself. So, with flying, you can just zoom over everything. So, like, Mr. Villager, hello, how are you doing in there? And, like, hello, Villager. And you're, like, bored. You want to say hi to someone. Like Dr. Trioris. You guys watch Dan TDM. He has a villager named Dr. Trioris. He's awesome. Did I even finish this roof? Holy cow. I can get in there. Why do you want me to trade with you then, Mr. Villager? Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Trade. 39 flesh for an emerald. You're cruel. You're staying in here for the rest of your life. I'm losing that. That is cruel. Why are you so cruel, dude? Really? But if you guys liked this video, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. What up? What up? Goodbye. So that's flying invisible. I will probably have, after 100k subscribers, 100k video. So, hope you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.